Today we'll be going over our microneedling facial. You'll first want to begin by cleansing the skin. Grab your favorite cleanser. This step is very important because we want to make sure that the skin is thoroughly cleansed, having no traces of makeup, oils, and dirt. You want to make sure that the treatment area is thoroughly cleansed as well to prevent any infections during the procedure. After applying your topical numbing cream, select the needle depth anywhere from 0.1 to 2.5 millimeters, depending on the client's tolerance as well as their skin concern. The power button will be located on the LED display screen. You may begin the microneedling process. You may apply serums at this point, such as hyaluronic acid or growth factors, during the procedure. The microneedling creates channels that allow better absorption for these active ingredients. As you are using the pen over the client's skin, be sure that the client is comfortable at all times. Communicate with your client during the facial if the depth of the needle is tolerable. The amount of stamps and passes that you do will depend on the client's tolerance as well as the depth of the needle. The closer you get to 2.5 millimeters of needle depth, the less passes you'll need. Microneedling is usually performed in a series of treatments spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart to achieve optimal results depending on the skin condition being treated. Microneedling is perfect for anyone looking to stimulate collagen and elastin production. This service creates tiny punctures in the skin, which triggers the body's wound healing process. This leads to increased collagen and elastin production, improving the skin's texture, firmness, and elasticity over time. With increased collagen and elasticity, this helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, specifically around the eyes, forehead, and mouth, resulting in a more youthful appearance. Microneedling can especially be effective in treating acne scars or depressed scars by promoting collagen remodeling in the affected areas. It can also reduce hyperpigmentation and dark spots caused by acne or sun damage. The wireless microneedling pen comes with two 18-pin needle cartridges. You may also add replacement needle cartridges with 18-pin needles, 24, 36, or 42-pin needles. Because microneedling helps improve skin hydration, you'll want to apply your favorite serum after the service. The tiny punctures created during microneedling allow for better absorption of topical products. This allows for serums or moisturizers to be effective post-treatment. During this time, you'll want to emphasize your clients in order to see optimal results. They'll want to come back for a series of treatments spaced from 4 to 6 weeks. Let your client know that the aftercare consists of hydrating the skin. Keep your skin moisturized and well hydrated post-treatment. You'll want to advise your client to avoid excess heat or sweating. For the first 24 to 48 hours, avoid hot showers, saunas, or intense exercise. Additionally, your client will want to avoid skin irritants. Stay away from exfoliating products, retinoids, or acids for anywhere from 5 to 7 days. Suggest home care to your client, such as a tyrosinase inhibitor, like our vitamin C brightening serum, in order to reverse hyperpigmentation damage. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer as well as your sunscreen. Sunscreen should be applied daily, anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure. Thank your client for coming in and that you'll see them in a few weeks.